First, log into online banking. Then, navigate to the Accounts tab. Next, find the Merchant Source Capture option on the drop-down menu. To complete this process, you will need to ensure that your pop-up blocker is disabled. If doing this mid-process, you may need to repeat the first 3 steps in order to continue to completion. The remote deposit screen will appear with an error message saying "Not ready to scan." Again, ensuring the scanner is not plugged into your computer, once you are back on the Merchant Source Capture page, you may get another error message stating "Ranger Scanner unable to start." Exit this pop-up. Click Download Page, where you can download the necessary driver to run your updated remote deposit capture. Please note, if you are signed in as your own administrator of the system, the process will flow as shown. However, if you use a third party, such as an IT department, for your business software management, you will need to contact them for credentials to complete this process. This driver needs to be installed, called Ranger Remote. Install this driver using pop-up prompts, then hit Exit to close as indicated. Once Ranger Remote is installed, you can hit Select Driver in the bottom right corner. Scroll down the list of drivers until you find one labeled Panini and click Install. Once you have enabled the deletion of old drivers, you can let this installation progress on its own. Installing these drivers will automatically prompt you to uninstall previous software. All previous connections to your remote deposit scanner should be uninstalled during this process using prompts. When asked to uninstall your current scanner, please select No, or this device will need to be reinstalled upon completion before use. After completing these steps, please be sure to log out of your online banking before closing out your browser. Now your scanner is ready to be plugged into the computer, making sure that the top of your scanner is completely pushed down into the correct position for operation. Lastly, to prevent from seeing the Not Ready to Scan page upon login, you can click the Do Not Show Page at Login option to return to your customary remote deposit screen. You can now successfully create remote deposits by clicking Create Deposit on the left side of your screen. If you should have any inquiries regarding your remote deposit capture, please give us a call, and thank you.